Good news, my stepmommy's back in the slammer. Hiya, huns. Your favorite cousin is happy to report that my stepmommy is back in custody. Turns out I was right, and she was hiding out at my daddy's house. I'm not surprised he let her stay, because underneath all that grumbling, he's kind of a pushover. However, she started getting mean again, and he couldn't take it anymore, and he turned her in. Wonder how long it'll take her to bust out again. I'm getting thirsty just thinking about it. I better have some more wine. It's hard to improve upon perfection, but to my wine today, I am adding 1 ounce of rye and a ½ ounce of peach liqueur just to make it summery. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you again real soon.